Hi everyone, today's video is going to be a bit different because I usually post something about music. However, I also repair computers and electronics from time to time. A quick story about this machine: a good friend of mine reached out to me to clean his computer. He said that it was working fine but had not used it for a while as he moved his residence. He wanted to clean up and repaste before setting it up at his new house. This is from HP, powered by AMD Athlon, and somehow I saw free 2GB RAM sticks. Not sure if that's how it came. As you can see from the video, this PC is very dirty, with dust and spider webs in every corner of the computer. At some point, I often wondered if this computer was actually working. After the inspection, I quickly removed all the parts of the computer, including the front panel, to get every dust out of this computer. There was dust everywhere. After removing all the components, I started with a vacuum and a brush to clean up all the dust. Then I also used compressed air to pull off all the areas that I could not reach with the vacuum. Next, I used some isopropyl alcohol on the case and some components of the computer. The power supply was choked with dust. I disassembled the power supply, front panel, card reader, and repeated the cleaning process until it was clean. I was surprised at how much dust I found on the heatsink after removing the fan. After all the parts were cleaned, it was time to put everything back. Repasted the CPU, installed the heatsink and fan combo, installed the RAM and all other components and the power supply. I changed the CMOS battery and it looks new now. I thought I recorded myself doing the work, but somehow it didn't record. So here are some photos and videos of the project. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this type of content, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comment if you ever saw any computer dirtier than this one I worked on. Until then, take care.